Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. Looking at the European markets, UK 100 holdings up 30 points, the France 40 holdings 23 points higher, and the Germany 30 holding seems to be quite flat this morning so far. Looking elsewhere, BG Group reported earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization for 2015 of $5.63 billion, equated to £3.87 billion, down 39% on the year before. Meanwhile, earnings before interest and tax took an even harder hit, down 62% to $2.43 billion. The company made a profit before tax for the full year of $2.97 billion, up from a loss of $2.33 billion a year ago. BG Group also announced a loss before tax for the fourth quarter of $1.17 billion compared to a loss of $8.33 billion a year ago, and the company said there was no final 2015 dividend. European markets are expected to fall after trading with volatility on Thursday, ahead of the US Non-Farm Payroll data due later today. This is seen as an indicator of when the Federal Reserve could raise interest rates again. There are fears it could show signs of strain given the slew of data that came out this week that could cast doubt on the state of the US economy. Economists expect 190,000 new jobs to have been added, compared with more than 290,000 added in December, with unemployment unchanged at 5%. Yesterday, the Bank of England anonymously voted to keep interest rates at the record low of 0.5% as Ian McCafferty backtracked on an interest rate hike. Now for some corporate news. BNP Paribas misses analyst estimates in its fourth quarter earnings. ArcelorMittal has announced 19.8% year-on-year sales in 2015. Toyota announced revenues to have grown 2.4% year-on-year in the 3 months to December. And for some key data and focus, we have, of course, at 1:30 p.m. over the US non-farm payrolls for January, and again at 1:30 got unemployment rate in the US for January, and again for the US at 1:30 with US trade balance for December. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.